My name is Jay Kwan, and I'm a candidate for Circuit Court Judge in DuPage County Subcircuit 2. I would be presiding over subject matters and controversies occurring in DuPage County. Well, I've been a practicing attorney for almost 21 years, 13 years as a prosecutor, and just about 8 years as a private attorney. And my entire career has been spent presenting cases in courtrooms throughout the state of Illinois in both state and federal courts. And the majority of that time was spent in various courtrooms within DuPage County. I've conducted hundreds, if not thousands, of evidentiary hearings and hundreds of trials, both in front of judges as well as juries to verdict. That includes high-profile and complex criminal matters such as first-degree murder, aggravated arson, drug-induced homicide, criminal drug conspiracies, and etc. So I'm familiar with the rules of evidence, rules of both civil and criminal procedures, and I've applied those rules and procedures on a daily basis. So I believe that prepares me well to be in a courtroom. So in addition to my legal background, I've served the citizens of DuPage County in both my capacity as a prosecutor and a private attorney for almost 2 decades. Not only do I have the requisite legal knowledge, I'm intimately familiar with the pulse of the county. I've seen cases from multiple perspectives, both sides of criminal cases, prosecution and defense. I've represented both sides of civil cases as well, both plaintiffs and defense side. I've fought against corporations. I've represented both small and big corporations. So I've seen the gambit of cases that happen in DuPage County, and certainly I'm familiar with the community as well. I've also been involved in the community fairly heavily. I've coached the local junior high track and field team. I'm on the board with the Just of DuPage. It's a not-profit organization that serves the DuPage County jail inmates. I'm a director with the DuPage County Bar Foundation, which is the charitable wing of the DuPage County Bar Association. And I'm also the chair of the DuPage County Criminal Law Division. Well, my judicial philosophy is a simple one, and that is to approach every case with fairness and impartiality, with strict adherence to the law without preconceived notions about possible outcomes. I'll keep an open mind and decide each issue fairly and transparently. Well, our family immigrated to the United States when I was in 3rd grade. Our family came here with no money, so we struggled financially, and I saw my parents struggle to make it in a strange land with a strange language. I saw them dealing with not just financial difficulties, but having to deal with prejudices. But with hard work and, frankly, just absolute tenacity, I saw them overcome a lot of these challenges. So I learned the value of hard work and a never give up type of attitude. And being a minority myself and having witnessed having witnessed my parents, I'm keenly aware of the challenges that minorities face in the United States even today. I believe judges should look like the constituents that they represent. Justice is somewhat of a relative term. In the context of a courtroom, justice is probably going to be a little different depending on which side of the controversy you happen to be on and the type of controversy that you may be involved in. I believe justice in a courtroom for both parties. I think that's possible. I think justice can be served regardless of the side of the controversy. As long as both sides feel like they got equal and fair treatment and that their voices were heard. I believe that's justice. And regardless of which side a litigant may be, I believe they would want a judge like myself, who is going to be fair and impartial and have their voices be heard. Well, thank you for having me here today. And once again, my name is Jay Kwan, and I'm a candidate for judge in DuPage County Subcircuit 2. Thank you.